Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 million challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. Further details and information are available in the description below. In today's video, I'm going to be providing a quick update on ticker symbol MMAT, Metamaterials, and then I'm going to be looking at 10 huge household names and stocks that are down significantly over the previous 12 months and also up to 82%. So before we do that, let's have a quick look at what's happening in the markets. And the headline here from Yahoo Finance is that stocks claw back from session lows amid Federal Reserve policy meeting. So there is still no official breaking news yet. However, we can see investors are waiting from the Federal Reserve's policy setting. So let's have a quick look at what's happening in the markets. So on the screen here, you can see at 2:22 Eastern Time, the markets did claw back some of the losses from the previous day. The S&P 500, however, is still down 0.43%. The Dow Jones is up 0.19%. Nasdaq is down just in excess of 1%. Crude oil is up significantly in excess of 2.2%. And also gold is up in excess of 0.61%. So let's have a quick look at the chart for ticker symbol MMAT, Metamaterials. On the screen here, we can see unfortunately today is a red day. So yesterday when the whole market was red, Metamaterials was green. And today it's down in excess of 7%. And currently at time of editing, it's around about $1.67. And yesterday we did see the stock go up in excess of $1.80. So hopefully there's a little bit of support here around about $1.60, and we can see a recovery back towards the $2 mark and then more of a rebound from there. Let's have a quick look at the key institutional transactions taking place on 25th of January. So we can see there are some significant institutional buys. Here, most notably, we have Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund. We also have Fidelity Total Market Index Fund and the BlackRock Advantage Small Cap Core Fund. So all of these are showing positive signs of loading up on the stock, and certainly I think most institutionals here will agree that Metamaterials is currently certainly available on the cheap. Let's now have a look at 10 household names and huge stocks that are down significantly over the previous 12 months. We're going to start by having a look at stock in 10th position. This is Airbnb, also known as ticker symbol ABNB. This did IPO in the previous 12 months, and at one time we can see on the screen here it was in excess of $220 trading, and just fairly recently, around about December 2021, it was up approximately at $210, and it was trading very significantly in a strong bullish momentum. Then I'm sure you're all aware we had the news of the Omicron variant, and that has had a significant impact on this stock, and it has been trending down since then. Currently at time of editing, looking at a price of approximately $146. So I do expect a little bit of a bounce back in this. And I think for 2022, certainly towards the summer, I can see this stock going again well in excess of $200. And the next stock in 9th position is ticker symbol NFLX, also known as Netflix. Netflix is a stock that has done particularly well due to the pandemic. It has gone up significantly. If we look at the chart here, we can see fairly recently this was trading around about $680. Right now it's at a price of approximately $371.85. So it has come down very significantly and very quickly indeed from that high in excess of $680. One of the key reasons for that is there is an expectation of slowdown in earnings, slowdown in growth, and slowdown in future potential of the stock. One of the key reasons for this is a potential opening up of economies, and that obviously that means less people taking up the option of subscriptions to Netflix. The next stock in 8th position is ticker symbol RIVN, Rivian. This is a stock that also recently IPO'd, and we can see currently at time of editing this was trading at $61.08. I think this is a stock that I think has certainly, I think when it was IPO'd it was very significantly overvalued. It was at one point trading close to $180, and right now at time of editing we can see the stock is down in excess of 40%, and unfortunately I do see a little bit of scope for movement down a little bit more, and I think it possibly could go towards the $40 mark before a strong rebound up. And the next stock coming in seventh position is ticker symbol COIN, Coinbase. And again, if we have a look at the chart here, we can see the stock is down in excess of 41%. However, also fairly recently in November 2021, the stock was trading close to its high around about $360. And certainly what's happened is the stock has been impacted by the fall in the market of Bitcoin and crypto. So again, it's not looking too good at the moment, currently trading around about $191. I think once we get recovery in Bitcoin, this stock will also shoot up, and I do expect a movement up towards the $250 mark, hopefully mid 2022. The next stock coming in at number 6 is Snapchat, also known as ticker symbol SNAP. So on the screen here, we can see the stock is down in excess of 42% of the year, currently trading around about $31.20. However, if we look at the period just prior to October 2021, we can see the stock was generally doing quite well, and at one point it was trading in excess of $80. Then we saw a significant fall from that $80 to below $60. So the outlook and the projection for the future from the earnings was certainly not positive. And we can see currently right now, from December 2021 and into January 2022, strong downtrend in the chart, and possibility of it possibly going towards the $25 mark before there is a strong rebound. The next stock coming in at number 5 is Block Incorporated, also known as ticker symbol SQ. So on the screen here, we can see for the 1 year chart, the stock is down in excess of 45% and currently trading at time of editing at approximately $118. But I certainly think what's interesting in this, prior to the period November 2021, the stock was trading fairly well. Approximately at that time, it was trading at around about $260 mark. At one point, it did go in excess of $280. So there is a sharp decline from the November 2021 period. That also coincides with the impact of the Omicron variant on the world economies. And certainly this decline does look to be continuing towards the $100 mark before we see any potential rebound in this stock. The next stock coming in at number 4 is NIO. So on the screen here, we can see, again, very interesting chart for NIO. Approximately 12 months ago, this was trading very, very close to $65. So that was certainly a great time to sell at that time. We did see a sharp decline at that time where it went to approximately $35 at March 2021. There was a good recovery just after June 2021 when it did go in excess of $55. However, since then, it has been in significant decline. Right now, it's certainly, in my opinion, highly undervalued. Currently, at time of editing, we're looking at a price of approximately $24.36. So over the previous 12 months, this is down in excess of 59%. A lot of significant reasons for this. We're looking at market conditions. We're looking at the fear of political factors due to China. And we're also looking at the uncertainty with regard to interest rates. However, I do see a strong rebound in NIO for 2022, and I think there is a good possibility that this stock could get towards the $50 mark again towards the end of the year. The next stock coming in third position is ROKU Incorporated. We can see on the screen here, this is a stock that has come down quite significantly over the year. This is down in excess of 64%. And we can see on a high over the previous 12 months at one time around about August 2021, this was trading close to a price of $480. And from that period of August 2021, it has been in a continuous downward trend. Currently at time of editing, we look at a price of $154 approximately. Unfortunately, going forward, I do see this decline continuing, possibly towards $120 mark before there is a recovery. Coming in at number 2 is ticker symbol FVRR, also known as Fiverr International. So on the screen here, if we look at the 12-month chart, we can see it's down in excess of 66%. Currently at time of editing, trading around about the $79.55 mark. However, if we go back to the period around about February 2021, almost 12 months ago, we can see that this stock was trading approximately $320. And prior to February 2021, it was in a strong upward trend for quite a significant amount of time. In terms of the general fundamentals of business, there's not been any significant bad news. However, the stock has suffered from market conditions and it is in a strong downward trend. However, I am very confident of a strong reversal in Fiverr for 2022. and I'm positive that the stock will possibly go in excess of $120 again by mid 2022. And the stock in number one, you may have already guessed, is ticker symbol PTON, also known as Peloton Interactive. This is a stock that is down very significantly, in excess of 82% on the year. This is a stock that has suffered exceptionally bad due to market conditions. It's also a stock that previously benefited from the pandemic, and we can see on the screen here, at one time, approximately 12 months ago, this stock was trading very close to $160, so it has come down very significantly from that high, close to $160, currently trading around about $27.02. So it's been a very strong downward trend from November 2021. Unfortunately, the general outlook of the business I don't think is positive. I think the trend is possibly going to continue, where it could possibly go down more closer to the $20 mark. I don't unfortunately see a recovery back to its all-time highs, certainly for the next 3 to 4 years. I think it's highly unlikely this stock is going to get back to $160. However, with a little bit of consolidation and restructuring of the business, certainly there is a potential for it to come back more towards the $35–40 mark over the next 12 months. And finally, if anybody would like to join us on the challenge, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.